I'm from EAS project. We are a EU VAT and customs compliance SaaS tool. Q4US was on board from the day one. Basically what we did with them is create the whole back end for us. Of course, from day one, we wouldn't be here without that. And now we have an absolute perfectly running solution out there. Scalable and flexible. It's open, everything transparent. If we weren't transparent, so transparent on both sides, we wouldn't be able to create these things. So communication is effective. The schedule has been very tight, incredibly tight, and I think that conveys to the efficiency of the communication that we managed to do everything in this schedule. Deliverables have been on time. Everything has been well documented, which is an amazing advantage compared to many other software development projects. Being able to pull it off in the schedule again, just hats off. And this is the part of the product which has resulted in the biggest contract we have right now. If you are in a position to having to decide whether or not to employ Q4US, just come and talk to us. It's 100%, absolutely. Jump into it.